Good morning, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all in the class of Moral Science with the exercises of Krishna and Sudama. The story had been already explained. PDF of question answer had been. Question answer of this lesson had been already given. I hope you all must have written it down in your copy. Now it is the turn of the fill in the blanks. Come to number 1. Dash and Dash were good friends. Who were good friends? Krishna and Sudama were good friends. Write the spelling of Krishna. Krishna, Krishna. And Sudama, Sudama, Sudama. Krishna and Sudama were good friends. Right? Number 2. Krishna became the king of Dwarka. What is the correct answer here? Dwarka. 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 Got it? Number 3. Dash went to meet Krishna. Who went to meet Krishna? Sudama. 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 Sudama went to meet Krishna. Wrote everybody? Now come to number 4. Krishna washed Sudama's feet. What will be the answer here? What will be in the fill in the blank? Feet. 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 Wrote everybody? Now come to number 5. Sudama took Dash as a gift for Krishna. What Sudama had taken for Krishna? A rice dish. A-R-I-C-E, rice, D-I-S-H, dish. Rice dish as a gift for Krishna. Because Sudama was very poor. He had nothing to take for Krishna. No valuable things. That is why his wife had made a dish of rice and had given Sudama to take it as a gift for your childhood friend. So I hope you all must have filled in the this fill in the blank. Though it was very easy, you would have done it yourself, but I gave you so that you can check your spellings and your answers. Come to third number, time to think. See, you all are in class 3. You are not going to get all the ready-made answers. Some of the question answer, some of the things you have to do it yourself. This time to think. I'll discuss with you, but you have to write this answer by yourself. And whenever I make video, I tell you to do write the answers of the questions which I give, and you send me either on the WhatsApp, because now you all are in the WhatsApp group, or in the school app, so that I can check it. Anyway, if you are not able to send it now, let the school open and then I'll correct your answers. So this time to think, I am going to discuss with you, and you have to write the answer in your own words. How would you ensure that a person who tells you that he is your true friend is actually your true friend? You are having so many friends and they all say, I am your true friend. I like you too much. I love you too much. But can you say the next child is your true friend or not? How would you ensure? How would you tell that, how can you believe on someone? Just you think and say. Let me give you one idea. I had told you when I was explaining the story, I had given one phrase that friend in need is a friend in need. whoever will help you in the time of your need, in the time of your difficult times. He or she will be your true friend. If the person is helping you in your difficult times, in your happy times, in your sorrow time, that person will be your true friend. If the person is helping you in that situation, you can ensure yourself that he or she is your good friend, is your true friend. Right? So this answer you can write in your own words. You and your friend can play this game in a pair. It is like a game. In a pair, that means two of you can play. Each of you would write 5 favorite things of each other, then cross-check with each other and find out whether both of you are true friends or not. So number 4, you can do it yourself. And I am making video. Video means I am discussing with you. You can listen the video carefully and you can write the answers yourself, because you are not going to get all the ready-made answers. You have to write in your own words, right? So this let's do. Number 4 is, you can play like a game with your friend. You tell your friend to write 5 favorite things. For example, both of you can write your favorite fruit's name, your favorite teacher, your favorite color, your favorite game, your favorite song, your favorite dance, your favorite subject. Like this, any 5 things name you have to write. Right? You are also writing, your friend is also writing. Then just cross check it. Suppose your favorite fruit, your friend also has written mango, you might have also written mango. Your favorite teacher, if your answer is tallying with your friend, then like this, if your answer is matching with your friend's answer, then you can find out whether both of you are true friends or not. Means the liking and disliking of the true friends may not be always same, but in most of the cases that would be same. Got it? So like this you can find out who is your true friend. Got it, everybody? Group discussion. Discuss the following topic in the class: qualities of a good friend. Unfortunately, we are not in the classroom. Otherwise, if it would have been school days, I would have been made you a group of 5 or 6 children and could have given the topic qualities of a good friend to discuss among yourself and write the conclusion. But unfortunately, it cannot be in this present situation. But I can suggest you that you can call your friends in a conference and can talk and discuss on the given topic. Let's see what can be the qualities of a good friend. You always will look for the good qualities. You always will see that your friend should be honest, should be truthful, should be polite, should be disciplined, should be hardworking, etc. etc. Because I know none of you will like that your friend would be dishonest. Isn't it? Liar. Will you like a friend who is always speaking lie, who is always stealing the thing of others? Obviously not. So, The qualities of good friend should be good qualities. Got it, everybody? So I have discussed point 3, point 4 and point 5 with yourself. You listen the video carefully and write the answers by yourself, and can send your answers on the WhatsApp. Since we all are in the WhatsApp, except 3 or 4 children, whole class is in the WhatsApp, so you can send the answers on the WhatsApp. I'll try my level best to correct it. And one more thing, unnecessary things please don't send in the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is made for the information, not for the entertainment, not for the enjoyment, not for the fun. Some of you are misusing it, and that is why I have removed 2-3 children. Pihu Gupta is one of that. Because after giving warning again and again, she was going on sending unnecessary things. That is why I have removed. And this is warning for others also. If you send like these things, you will be out of the group. Right, everybody? I hope you all must have understood the rules of WhatsApp. Got it? Yeah. So now, one more reminder I am going to give you. In the next week, maybe Tuesday, your first class test of moral science will be there. So you all revise lesson 1, 2 and 3 for the for the class test. Got it, everybody? Okay. Take care. Bye bye.